Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn life cycle of a cockroach. In our previous video, what we learned? Life cycle of a hen, life cycle of butterfly. Okay, same procedure here also, but it is a little bit different. Okay, we learned about one term in our previous video, metamorphosis. Okay, thus some insects such as butterfly and cockroaches undergoes metamorphosis. I told, right? They undergo many changes before becoming an adult. So some insects such as cockroach and butterfly, they undergo in some changes to become an adult. Before becoming an adult, adult बनने से पहले कुछ changes होते हैं वो लोग के अंदर. That changes, what do you call that cycle? Metamorphosis. Here in cockroach also same metamorphosis goes on. Okay, we will see life cycle of cockroach. I hope in your houses, in some dark room, store room, we will find the cockroaches. You will find the cockroaches, right? So many cockroaches were there. So we will see in detail what is the life cycle of a cockroach. A cockroach goes through 3 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. How many stages of cockroach life cycle have? 3 stages. Before becoming an adult, cockroach should go through 3 different stages. 3 stages. Okay. A cockroach goes through 3 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. Before becoming an adult. Okay. What is the first step in life cycle of a cockroach? We learned life cycle of a hen, life cycle of butterfly. What life cycle of hen? In life cycle of hen, what we have? Mother hen lay eggs, right? Similarly, in butterfly lay eggs. Female butterfly lay eggs. Mother hen lay eggs. In cockroach also, female cockroach lay eggs. Okay. A female cockroach lay eggs. In life cycle of hen, what we see in there, what we learned there, this mother hen sit on the eggs, incubate them, hatch them. So in life cycle of hen, what we see, what we learned, mother hen lay eggs, they incubate, mother hen incubate them and hatch them. After a few days, the egg breaks and chicks will come out, right? In life cycle of butterfly, what we learned, the caterpillars sit on the leaves, they feed from the leaves, they will eat the leaves. After a few days, they become fat and cocoons will develop. Similarly, here also, what will happen in this female cockroach? The eggs hatch on their own. Okay, the female cockroach will not hatch their eggs. The eggs hatch on their own. Female cockroach lay eggs. Where they lay eggs? In dark and safe place. In some case, in dark and safe place. Okay. The egg hatch on their own. Next, each egg becomes a young cockroach called nymph. Each egg becomes a young cockroach called nymph. What is a baby of a cockroach called? Nymph. This is important. Okay, the egg hatch on their own. Each egg becomes a young cockroach called nymph. Okay, it is small and does not have wings. The nymph of a cockroach looks like its adult. See, now we will come to this life cycle of a cockroach. Okay, this is egg, right? Adult cockroach. This is a adult cockroach. Adult cockroach lay eggs. After laying eggs, the young cockroach come out. Okay, what do you call a young cockroach? Nymph. Okay. This is important. Nymph. Yeah, baby of a cockroach or young cockroach will say, we call it as nymph. The nymph of a cockroach, it is small and does not have wings. This cockroach is small and they are not having wings, okay? The nymph of a cockroach looks like its adult. It is similarly looks like adult, but it is different from. It is not having wings. Okay, see this nymph is similar to adult, but this one is not having wings. Okay, the adult one is having wings. The nymph eats leftover food, paper, cloth, etc. How nymph will develop? The cockroach will give eggs. Female cockroach lay eggs. After laying eggs, from this egg, nymph will come out. How nymph will get the food? How nymph will survive? Nymph will eat leftover food, paper, cloth, etc. Eat leftover food, paper, cloth, etc. Okay. Next, it grows bigger and shed its skin several times before becoming an adult. This shedding of skin is called molting. Okay. Nymphs grow bigger and shed its skin several times before becoming an adult. So this shedding of skin is called molting. Okay. See, we will see life cycle of a cockroach once. Cockroach goes through 3 different stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. What is the first stage of cockroach? Egg. Second stage of nymph. Third stage is adult cockroach. Adult cockroach lay eggs. After laying eggs, this egg breaks and nymph will come out. What nymph will do? Nymph eat paper, clothes, etc. Okay, food, leftover food, paper, clothes, and after some few days, nymph will again become an adult. Okay, a cockroach goes through 3 stages in its life cycle before becoming an adult. A female cockroach lay eggs. Where female cockroach lay eggs? In dark and safe place, in some suitcase, in some dark. If you will keeping that case for so many long time, so in there, female cockroach lay eggs. The egg hatch on their own. Each egg becomes a young cockroach called nymph. This cockroach is small and does not have wings. Nymphs eat leftover food, paper, clothes. How nymph will survive, how nymph will develop into an adult, means nymph eat leftover food, what we left in kitchen and in fridge, refrigerator and some other place, leftover food, paper, cloth, etc. It grows bigger and shed its skin. Nymph grows bigger and bigger and shed its bigger until it become adult. It shed its skin before becoming an adult. Shed its skin several times before becoming an adult. This shedding of skin is called molting. Understood? What is the first stage of life cycle of cockroach? Egg. Second, nymph. Third is adult cockroach. Initially, adult lay eggs. From eggs, nymph will come out. Nymph will survive on leftover food, eat leftover food, paper, cloth, and after a few days, it will become an adult. Before becoming an adult, nymph will shed its skin. The shedding of skin is known as molting. Hope you all understood this one. Jazakallahu khair. Allah Hafiz.